What's going on, y'all? I'm at a new place, Chestnut Ridge Park. It's over in right along Cooper's Rock. We're trying this place out. They got two little lakes that I found on Google Maps, and it's open to the public, so we're gonna see what we can't do. So hopefully we both get something big. Morning, y'all. It's another beautiful West Virginia morning. This is for real fishing. Comment, subscribe, like. Thanks for watching. Since I've never been here before, it's my weightless worm. I don't know what's up in this area, so I'd rather just be safe and fish something I know. Catch and release only, no license required. No fishing, no swimming, no watercrafts. So this place literally says no license required. That's nice. I see a little bluegill. No, it's not super deep. Give it a shot. See what? No, no trout in here.
I'm like the queen of busting that. Right there.
Alright, so not really much of this other place. It's beautiful, but it's mostly for bluegill, and it has really baby bass, which didn't want anything, so we're gonna check another spot, so hopefully we get lucky. Spot number 2. It's actually a pretty decent little park. Liking it. It's pretty nice. So they even have paddle boats, like she said. I mean, it's got a little young gym thing, pavilions. It's a pretty nice little area. It's all the sand for the kids to play in.
Looks like normally it is. They brought it down further. Oh no, what's he walking? Little big bluegill right out there.
Yeah, way too cold.
I gotta figure out something to do for his birthday.
I know.
A couple of them just came up to the water.
Huh. Apparently there's even trout in here too. Aw.
Like that though.
And alright.
I would say that's
I want to cast around this dock. Docks are usually good spots. Oh. Ha! First fishy of the day.
right there off the dock.
Yep. So little itty bitty normal largie. Itty bitty little dude. So hey, at least it's something. This place has potential. Oh.
Have some nukes in it and some bluegill. All the way in the corner. A little bit further.
There we go.
Get it?
Or it's stuck. Now it's stuck. I got one. Yep.
Decent size.
Yeah, out of there.
But is that the one that's making all that ruckus?
I think so. So, second fish of the day. Little decent sized little bass. Yeah. But it's got some decent coloring. Yeah. Oh, decent, dude. Alright, let's get you back in the water. Here you go, buddy.
I dropped it in, and they were trying to bite it. A couple of them too.
Well, got two decent ones. Got a couple. She got a decent hit. Dug her into the weeds, but this place got some potential. So you definitely see me coming back here. It's a little ways out, but I'm gonna try this one. I want to try some different lures that I can actually do because the weeds aren't so thick here, so I can actually throw different kinds of baits. But anyways, well, thanks for watching. This is For Real Fishing.